Hello there, I'm your host, Hans Sonnenberg.
Welcome back to the podcast, Refugee Voices Stories of Resilience from Refugees. In this episode, we delve deeper into the unimaginable hardships that refugees face before reaching the US. These individuals have endured war, violence, persecution, and natural disasters, leaving behind everything they once knew for the hope of a better future. Refugees carry with them stories of loss, survival, and resilience. From witnessing the deaths of loved ones to enduring torture and sexual violence, their journeys are marked by unimaginable challenges and sacrifices. Despite the dangers and uncertainties they face, refugees embark on perilous journeys, navigating overcrowded boats and treacherous terrains in search of safety. Upon arrival in the US, refugees encounter a new set of challenges. From finding housing and employment to accessing health care, their struggles continue. Often, they also confront discrimination and xenophobia in their new communities. It is crucial for us to understand that refugees seek not handouts, but a chance to rebuild their lives in peace and security. As we extend a helping hand to refugees, let us create a welcoming and inclusive environment for refugees by offering compassion, support, and understanding. We can assist refugees in overcoming their past traumas and building a brighter future for themselves and their families. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories in the episodes to come. Join us in the forthcoming episodes as we explore more stories of resilience and courage from refugees around the world. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, together we can make a difference in the lives of those seeking refuge and hope. Don't forget to check out my book on Amazon, Embracing Adversity, A Life Torn and Rebuilt, written by Hans Sonnenberg. There, you can delve deeper into my inspiring journey as a refugee seeking freedom and hope. Thank you, and goodbye. Stay tuned for the next episode.